Hi, welcome to how to link your procedural building generator to PCC building. In the last tutorial, we have seen how to link it to this building, but we'll look at this building. There's a small difference between both building. When you select this building, you can see that add base is checked, and for this one, add base is not checked. If I check it, you can see that some base mesh are appearing, but for some building there is no add base. In this case, the first spline operator manager is considered as the base of the building. When I enter the game mode, all this blue line that you see, there's blue spline are the floor spline, and there's yellow spline are the roof spline. So to link the prefab to the building, we'll not add anything here because there's no base. So no base means no base floor tag to be set. So expand the first of spline operator manager, and for the PPG floor tag, set it to base, because our base, remember that our base prefab are using a tag of base. So that is why we set it to base. For the roof, for the PPG roof output tag, set it to roof, and for the other, set to floor and roof, and leave them that way. Now if you run our editor jet with our building prefab already set up, you can see that it will link it to the building. Everything is good. Now let's see how to link the main prefab to the cube building. Remember that we'll only link the composite prefab, the prefab that we set up in base, floor and roof. What about the main prefab? Actually, when you select the cube building, you can see that there's no spline operator manager, only the base. Add base is true. So for that, we only have to set the building base floor tag. And when we open our main prefab and go to PPG tag, you can see that they are set to by default to PPG F universal. If you leave them by default, it will select them. But if you want to customize it, you can set your own tag. Let's set like my own tag and use it here. Use it to add it into building base floor tag and pass it here. For the roof tag, we don't need it because it is only a same cube, a box cube. It will automatically use it from here. Now if you click on spawn page for selected building, you can see that it will spawn our base, our main prefab. Forget to remember to set the PCC number of floor and so on. For the number, if we want it to set it to, for this one, we want to set it to 1 and to 5,000. So select this one and set our tag here and spawn it. Now we have our main building spawning. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to copy the building shape data into their own data so that you can plug them in the plots.